So as I've just mentioned, then this 2-meter person. And what we're doing, I've given you the pertinent equations here, and we're saying I'm going to go from the relative intensity of A to the intensity of A to the intensity of B to the relative intensity of B. And we're using the truth that the power of this speaker is the same for both people. Not the intensity, their intensities are different, but the power of the speaker is the same. And that's what I've done here to say IA is equal to IA for person A and for person B. So I solved this for IB right here. And now I can say IA times 4 pi RA squared over 4 pi RB squared. So those cancel, the 4 pi's cancel, and I get IB will be equal to IA times, and then 10 over, so this is RA squared is 100, RB squared is 4, so this is going to be 25. So I just have to find out what IA is. And if, do you remember how we did this before? Just use this equation. Oh, sorry. Yeah, right. No, that's not right. We use this equation right here. I is equal to 10 to the beta over 10 minus 12 watts per square meter. So plug that in, and I get IA is equal to 1 times 10 to the minus 4. Yes? 1 times 10 to the minus 4?
1 times 10 or you're dividing by 10?
Yeah, 1 times 10 to the minus 4 watts per square meter is IA. Multiply that by 25, and I get 25 times 10 to the minus 4 watts per square meter.
25 times 10 to the 4.
Yeah, 25. Now, to find the relative intensity at B, I just plug everything in. Let me do this in yellow. To find the relative intensity at B, I take 10 times the log of IB, which is 25 times 10 to the minus 4, over 1 times 10 to the minus 12.
Wow.
That gives me 10 times the log of 25 times 10 to the 8th. And you'll see that comes out to be something like 93 decibels. That comes out to be 93 decibels. So the idea is first you have to take 80 decibels and come up with intensity. And that's this equation right here. This is what gives you IA. Then I said that IA and IB have to be related by the areas. Right? Because if the power is the same for both, then the I times A for the first person has to equal I times A for the second person. And then I solved for IB to get this. And then once I plugged in what I got for the intensity of A, which was 1 times 10 to the minus 4, that gave me the intensity of B. And then the intensity of B had to be converted, right, because that's this, had to be converted to decibels. This was 80, 1 times 10 to the minus 4 watts per square meter. This was 25 times 10 to the minus 4 watts per square meter. And then this became 93 something decibels. I think it's 93.
So what does B stand for?
Well, this is like a person.
Wait,
These two are people.
No. I mean, I know B.
But beta stands for relative intensity. What's that?
Is that I or J or what? I or
This is I, yeah. Yeah. Can you what? Is it going to disappear in the next 4 minutes? Wait till it's over. Could be.